Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, which will be sold in its entirety on October 24th and 25th by Richmond Auctions. And something kind of cool is this 1933 Ford Model BB 1.5-ton 6-wheel stake bed truck. Great example of the breed. It's fully restored. Now, it's based on a vehicle that lived its life in Southern California, very much rust-free, very much dry. It's been beautifully restored to factory condition. In fact, a lot better than that. Brewster green with black, and it's got the 1.5-ton suspension and wheels, and something very special. In its second year, the option of the Ford Flathead V8, 221 cubic inches. The standard 4-banger would be the base engine in these things, but with that V8 under the hood, you could live up to the truck's 1.5-ton hauling potential. And again, we see beautiful chrome headlights here. Bumpers have been beautifully restored and re-chromed. And again, that beautiful Ford grille, which we first saw in 1932, continued to 1933. Beautiful waterfall grille here. And nicely restored cab, steel roof on these, of course, no fabric on these up on the top. Some of the passenger cars did have fabric, but these are all steel construction in the roof. And beautiful inside, steps on the side here. Cast aluminum Ford logos right here. And again, the bed has been done in oak by a cabinet shop. This was restored and refurbished and basically very much original to the way it looked when it was new. And of course, the sides come down. And a beautiful example inside, fully equipped, 3-speed manual transmission inside, no automatics at this point. Of course, the Power Stroke diesel was decades away. These are strictly gasoline vehicles. But again, nicely restored inside. All the surfaces are correctly presented. And there we have it right here. Second year for the Flathead V8 in trucks. This is a 1933 Model BB 6-wheel stake truck, bid accordingly.